Naghahanap ka ba ng fully finished na bahay na malapit sa schools, hospitals, and other establishment? And syempre, maganda rin ang community. So tara, welcome sa First Park Homes, Calamba West. Hi everyone, it's me again, Engineer Leslie. Welcome to Calista End. This unit has a floor area of 40 square meter and a typical lot area of 60.5 square meter. Steel gate and perimeter fence included na din po upon turnover. We have provisions para sa carport and landscaping sa gilid. Plus, all in TCP kasama na ang water and electricity connections. No hassle, everything is ready para sa'yo. Pagpasok natin, mapapansin mo yung maaliwalas at spacious na living area. Fully finished upon turnover, may vinyl flooring, painted walls, and ceiling. Ang kitchen naman ay functional and complete na. May built-in counter and cabinets na rin. Siyempre, fully finished na rin ang bathroom kasama na ang tiles, shower head, toilet, and lavatory. So, wala ka nang problemahin, lilipat ka na lang. So, tara, tignan naman natin yung nasa labas ng pinto na to. Paglabas natin, may extra space na pwedeng extension ng kitchen and at the same time, connected na rin siya sa extra lot natin na nasa gilid. Upon turnover, meron na rin tayong staircase and included na yung steel handrail. Napansin mo ba? Sobrang liwanag ng bahay dahil sa malalaking bintana and mataas na din ang ceiling kaya mas presko at mas maaliwalas ang loob ng bahay. This unit features 2 bedrooms. Welcome to bedroom number 1. Dito naman sa bedroom number 1 ay ginawa siyang mini office and sa likod ay merong abang para sa back expansion natin for the near future. Tara, dito naman tayo sa second bedroom. Mas maluwag at kasyang-kasya ang queen size bed. Ang best part, madali mo lang itong ma-avail dahil available ito through Pag-ibig and bank financing. Pwede itong i-reserve for as low as 20,000 pesos. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Contact me now in my Facebook page, First International by Engineer Leslie Nieva, or you can Viber me.